Good morning, guys. So we're about to leave the offices here, and Oliver's offices, and we're gonna go to the factory. There was an incredible sunrise this morning, but we were busy getting ready and I forgot to film. So it was a good night, a bit chilly, but we were warm inside and we're ready. And so here we are at the plant. It's pretty chilly this morning, guys. Isn't it, George?
Yeah, a little bit.
Here we are. A few more new ones, or a few more in need of repair or whatever. I don't know. See, it's closed. I think that the service department does not open until 8. Yeah, now. Could very well be. Well, that bay needs to open, so I guess we're waiting. Good morning, by the way. Here we are.
Pretty well straight. Morning, guys.
Yeah. Okay. And now let's wait. So we dropped off our Ollie, and it's in the hands of the service department now. And since they were gonna keep it for a couple of days, we are taking advantage of the situation and making a mad dash to Indiana in the meantime. So we dropped it off and immediately got on the road. We're going to Indiana to visit with George's brother and his wife, Joe and Lisa. So it's gonna be quite a ride today. We're
494 miles out right now.
So we'll see what time we arrive. Right now it's already almost 8:30.
Says we got 7 hours and 42 minutes left. So total right now, we've been riding for a little bit, so it's about an 8 to 9 hour drive.
Yeah, so it's gonna be fun. At least it's not raining.
Yeah, the sun is out. Kind of partly cloudy.
Yeah,
actually.
partly cloudy,
Nice
but I'll take it any day over rain.
Yeah, oh yeah.
So let's hope it lasts for a little bit. One thing that I dislike about this area, I have to say, is the fact that we could never get service. Phone service, that is. So we cannot use the hotspot, we cannot use the phone. This whole area around Hohenwald with the mountains and crap, I don't know. I don't think they have enough towers. They simply don't put enough towers.
I don't know if you guys have noticed this or not on the highways out here, but there's been a trend that's been taking place over the years, and you notice on the right side, that trailer and that truck, there's a new type of transportation that's taking place. They're called Hotshots, and what they do basically is they pick up different loads and they go ahead and carry it at a fraction of the cost of what an 18-wheeler would. And it's a very lucrative business, and you pretty much need to just have a nice sturdy diesel truck, and you can get out there and make some money by just hauling cars or different freight. And from what I understand, a lot of people are making a good living doing it. I actually looked into that when I got out of my landscaping business. I actually was thinking about being a hot shot driver, and but you see them all over the highways, guys. Just something to keep in mind of next time you're out on the highway and you see one of these guys flying by you. He's normally a hot shot driver, and he's headed to a destination to pick up or drop a load.
This is Louisville, Kentucky.
And they're living under the bridges.
Wow. I thought I would film this bridge because it's different. Oh my goodness, look at that.
That's the bridge that'll charge you a toll on Interstate
Over there?
65, yeah.
Oh, we're avoiding tolls. Oh, this is pretty cool. They painted it.
Yeah.
It's halfway down. Nice paint and such a happy color. And we're here getting gas, and it's raining again.
Yeah, but we got some pretty good fuel mileage. I'm gonna figure it out.
There it is. Whoop, there it is.
Alright, we got 293 miles.
Hi, Amy. What you doing, amore? You want to say hello?
15.2.
Oh, yawn. Yes. Do you need to... What a mess you got.
19.17
miles
to the gallon.
Wow, that is incredible. Yeah, she wants to be covered. There you go, baby. Now make a mess again, okay? Make it in a ball as quickly as you can. And then lay on it.
19 point what? 2?
19.7 you said?
No, 19.2 miles.
Oh, okay. That is very, very good.
And that's going 75.
Wow. Okay, so how much is left?
We got 4 hours and 7 minutes.
Holy shit. Pardon me. Holy cow. I want to kill myself almost. I can't stand it anymore. Indianapolis, Indiana. We have another 2.5 hours, 3 hours to go. Oh my gosh, we have arrived after 9 hours and 9 hours, yes. We're here. It's pitch dark.
We did it.
But it's only past 5:30 almost, but it's pitch dark. Yeah.